Hi, Karen here. In this video, I show you how I made this steel cactus mosaic sculpture for my own front yard. Here's how. Local metal artist Michael Herold sold me a coal sculpture, and I knew it'd make a great base for a mosaic. My cactus would have 18 sides since there were 9 metal disc shapes. I made the cactus on this backer material, and some of them were going to have flowers. Glass looks great on mosaics, and I ground the cut pieces smooth in rock tumblers. I'm ready.